Today I'm going to show you how to install grommets. One of the first order businesses, you're going to have a hole punch to make the holes for the grommets. So you start by doing this. Canvas is quite thick, so you want to make sure you hit it real hard several times. As you can see, it still left a little bit on that hole. Get all the way through and continue your way. You always want to make sure you have a block of wood while doing this. If you ever miss any, you can come back and get them again. So I'm being stubborn on me. Anyway, you'll have your grommet die, which looks like this. And this will be your press. So you take this, put your male end of your grommet there, place in like so. Take the top of your grommet, up. Put it in. Grommet number 1. Grommet number 2. Grommet number 3, and so on.